Konnichiwa, welcome to MrsLinsKitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make baked Japanese sweet potato dessert. Japanese sweet potato, it's also called satsuma imo. It is a sweeter version when compared to other sweet potato in the market. Therefore, it's ideal ingredients for making the sweet dessert. This recipe is quick and easy and doesn't require complicated ingredients, so let's get started. Here is the ingredients overview. You'll need to measure between 12 to 14 ounces of Japanese sweet potatoes for this recipe. Japanese sweet potato has a purple reddish skin and is much sweeter than the sweet potato you typically find in the US market. It's not ideal for this recipe, but if you can't find Japanese sweet potato, you may substitute with the American one. In this recipe, milk is used to adjust the consistency of the potato mixture if it's too dry. You can also use rum if you like. You may or may not need to use it. I'll show you what kind of consistency you will need to achieve in order to make that perfect Japanese sweet potato dessert. 2 tablespoons of sugar is used in this recipe. However, sweetness in each potato is different, so please add or reduce sugar according to your taste. I use black, white sesame seeds and dried nuts for the topping, but you can also use finely diced dried fruit. You can sprinkle on the top or mix it into the sweet potato mixture. To prepare the sweet potato, first peel the skin. Next, cut into slices. Depending on the size of each slice, you can further cut into 4 smaller pieces. Soak the sweet potato in water for 3 minutes. This will get rid of the potato starch. After 3 minutes, drain the water and wipe dry. Transfer the sweet potato pieces into another bowl. Wrap the bowl with saran wrap and microwave for 5 to 6 minutes or until it's soft. After 5 minutes is up, transfer the sweet potato to another bowl without the juice while microwaving the potato. Add butter and sugar into the sweet potato and start mashing. Mix everything well together. Next, add 1 egg yolk, vanilla, salt. Continue to mash the sweet potato mixture. If the consistency is too dry, you can add some milk or rum. Always add a little bit at a time. The consistency of my sweet potato mixture is perfect, so I will skip the milk. Grease your baking pan with some oil. Mold the mashed potato dough into the shape that you like. I like mine looking like a cookie. You can also shape it into a golf ball size or elongated log. Add 2 drops of water to the egg yolk. Mix well and brush it onto the sweet potato dessert. This will give the dessert a beautiful golden color after baking. Lastly, sprinkle sesame seeds or dried nuts on the top. Your sweet potato desserts are now ready to go into the baking oven. Bake at 450 degrees for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes is up, take the sweet potato desserts out of the oven. If they have a nice and shiny golden color, they're ready. So here is my Japanese baked sweet potato dessert. You can always incorporate chopped dried fruits, dried nuts, chocolate into the dough before baking to make it your own version of Japanese baked sweet potato dessert. Although it's called a dessert, but you can always eat it as breakfast, snack, or serve it as a finger food in the party. I hope you enjoy watching me show you how to make the Japanese baked sweet potato dessert today. If you like what I'm showing you today, please don't forget to click the like button down below and leave me some comments if you have any. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Happy eating and thank you for watching.